for Vera Files. Alright, this is day 3 observation, July 11, 2012 from the province of Tawi-Tawi. Hindi ko alam kung anong description ang ilagay ko sa hakot system that is practically happening all over the province. Is it getting worse or it is getting better and best? Because these mga hakot are now being brought by air, by boat, and by sea. From practically, hindi ko alam, even as far as Iloilo and Dumaguete. Alright, that's one observation as reported by our coordinators all over the province. Second observation, ang tigas talaga ng ulo ng mga local officials, some local officials, especially the barangay level, because we see other barangay chairman within the vicinity ng voters registration center. Some of them are even calling their colleague in the council to come and help, which the PPCRV is telling them na per press con briefing by COMELEC Chairman Sixto Brillantes, you are not even allowed to get inside, not even within the perimeter, within the just outside the voters registration center. Pero karamihan talaga matigas. You would not believe. Today I have just today July 11, I have just arrived from Lakit-Lakit area because our coordinator in that area called me up. May tension. At alam mo naman dito kapag may tension, as in tension talaga, in its truest meaning of the word. So sabi ng mga other volunteers, wag ako pupunta kasi wala akong escort. So syempre naman hindi ko na sinabi sa kanila that I have get in touch with our Basulta coordinator Jose Boy Abendaño Jr. and ask for Armed Forces of the Philippines to go ahead before I go to the area. And I was able to talk to two chairmen. And after 30 minutes, sinabi ko sa kanila, sa rehistrasyon pa lamang, kung tayo ay magkakagulo na, ang inaasahan ng people from Manila and the rest of the world would be mas lalala ang gulo sa election time. Dahil rehistrasyon pa lang nagkainitan na tayo. Napakasakit isipin that nagkaroon tayo ng general registration, cleaning of the voters list. Ako'y naiinsulto at sukang-suka ako sa impression na ito. If we are going to show these people na ganun nga, sa simpleng problema nag-aaway na tayo, that would only be an additional manifestation that indeed ganun nga tayo. So, can we at least once in our life na prove to them that hindi lahat ng mga Muslim ay magulo? Because I, for one, I do not want gulo. I want peace. Kaya ako pumunta dito. By the way, kaharap yung dalawang chairman ng Mandulan and Lakit-Lakit with the principal ng school. And alhamdulillah, after 30 minutes, na-relax sila. Simpleng bagay eh. Ang isang barangay, nagpalain ng kanyang tao as early as 5 o'clock. Tapos itong area where the registration is being conducted, where the voters registration center is, gusto ring mauna dahil sila yung nandyan sa lugar na yon. Meron kasing internal arrangement between clustered barangay. In one voters registration center, merong agreement ang bawat chairman, like 3 or 4 clustered barangays. May agreement sila. O sige, sa first 3 days kayo ha, the second 2 days kayo, the third 3 days kayo, and then the last would be sa aming barangay. Meron silang internal arrangement. So, isa din sa mga issue na brought out to our attention, to the table of PPCRV headquarters is, paano kung ako'y taga isang barangay na nakaschedule dun sa first 3 days, pagkatapos hindi ako maka-register? I said, hindi pwede. Kailangan makaparegister ka. Hindi pwedeng porke hindi na panahon ninyo ay hindi. Lahat kayo should all be accommodated. Kaya lang, that now brings me to the observation number 2. Sa day 3, ang COMELEC is talagang sabi nila, sinasala nila talaga because meron silang mga nadidiscover na mga like mga under age. So sabi nga namin na can we not just go ahead and anyway, may blocking naman dyan sa inyo, but slow sila ngayon. Instead of targeting the 200 registrants, umabot na lamang ng mga 120, umabot na lamang ng isang machine like 85, isang machine 50, bumabagal ang serbisyo, and then the usual 7 o'clock na mag-uumpisa, sometimes umiikot na ako by 7:45, by 8 o'clock hindi pa nakakapag-umpisa. These are the some of the registration. I mean, some of the observation natin sa registration na to. Pangatlong observation sa day 3, 87% na kaakibat ng EO ngayon ng mga COMELEC officials coming from Luzon, Visayas, and other areas in Mindanao are now PPCRV. They all ask, not demand, masyado namang they all ask for the service of the PPCRV na tutulong sa kanila from as far as Taganak Island and Mapun Island. Our coordinators, our volunteers have been texting us that they have been serving a particular voters registration center. Hopefully magiging kaaya-aya itong mga susunod na mga sandali, ang mga susunod na mga araw, but there are still a lot of voters registration center na punong-puno pa rin ng tao. So, live and direct mula po dito sa Himpilang DXGD ng lalawigan ng Tawi-Tawi. Babylin Cano Omar po nag-uulat para sa Vera Files.